gonna drive all night, so I took a nap for a couple hours. Going to pick up my brother-in-law. He's like 5 minutes away from my house. Just don't wanna drive by myself. Looks like we're almost ready to go. I got some water, some beef jerky, some drinks, like Red Bull, coffee, some chocolates, kvass, Russian drink. We're good to go. So we are pretty much ready to go. Hooking the 32-foot long trailer. We're about to bring something huge from far away. That's Sacramento downtown. We're leaving Sacramento right now. It's 5:30. We'll see how long it's gonna take us to get there. We got the massage seats on, so we're chilling. All right, so we are on our way to Texas. Arizona. We're going to Arizona. It's like 11 hours. But with the trailer, I think it's gonna be about 12 hours away. And we are picking up our new project. That's an RV. We never worked on RV yet. We did a couple behind the camera, but didn't post anything. So that's gonna be the first one. That was our first stop. We just had some Taco Bell. Now I gotta put some diesel. There's a bunch of gas stations, and the cheapest one is somewhere over there. Close to $6 a gallon. Still in California though. This gas station, the diesel is $5.69. Somewhere over there, I can't zoom anymore, but it's $7.19. This one over here, still can't zoom any closer, $6.79. So 6 something, ours it's 5 something, and the other one it's 7 something. That's crazy. So we're gonna fill her up right now. We blocked the whole thing over here with that trailer. There's no way I can make it to go around. So I'll have to back up where I came from, all the way right there. We just went through LA, which means we're like halfway there. And the reason I wanna do a nighttime because there is no traffic. We're driving like 70 and no traffic. Yo, what's that? Arizona. Welcome to Arizona. There it goes right here. We made it. We got here at 6:30. They open at 8 o'clock. We already went inside, signed everything, but apparently you have to have safety vests for you to let you go in the yard and pull the car out. And we don't have it, but I did have my raining jacket with those reflection stripes. So my brother-in-law took the raining jacket, went inside, and now we're waiting for him to come out with the RV. I see it already. There he comes. Man, this thing loud. I think the catalytics are missing. How are we gonna clear the bridges? Because it will be like 2 foot taller than what it is because of the trailer. Yeah. So we kind of put those jack stands to secure the trailer. It doesn't lift the truck up. We did lift the front with that leg. Now we're gonna back up and drive on it. This thing low all the way to the ground almost. It's not touching yet, so it's still good. Looks like the truck is not really sitting. which means there is not too much weight over here, but I would like to move this thing a little farther. Now it's too much in the back. We will start driving like that, see if we get any fishtail or not. If anything, the other option would be to pull one of the wheel and just leave one. Same thing to the other side, that way you will go through those fenders. But for now, you're gonna tie it and leave. So I'm on top over here, trying to measure how tall this is and throw the tape down and see if you are above 14 foot or. But look at those cars, they look way taller than this RV, and those guys, they go through bridges all day long. Diesel in Arizona, $3.99. That's pocket change. So we drove a little bit. This thing feels pretty good. It is a little too far back though, but there is no fishtail or anything. It feels really good actually, so we will keep it like that and drive it all the way to Sacramento. We stopped to get something to eat, and look what we found. Like a little museum. So I decided to take the RV on the freeway to see how it does. But it actually moves pretty good, man. It's smooth. It pulls pretty good. It's just I have one little problem, that this guy in front of me doesn't want to move. Look at him, barely driving. I'm not catching up to him. Come on. Let him go. Too slow, man. Oh, maybe because I'm hooked on his trailer. Of course, when you drive so many miles, you get lucky to get pulled over. There he goes, we're waiting for the ticket.
Mud flaps на траке.
But we did got a ticket for, you see how the wheels are sticking out? Because they're sticking out, you're supposed to have mud flaps. We don't have it, but that's a fixed ticket. We just have, you know, to put them, sign, and then pay like 25 bucks or so. We just got here, it's 12:30. It was a long way home. Just got home and it's 101, 102. By the time I take a shower, eat, get ready for bed, it's gonna be at 2 o'clock. 4:30, gotta wake up to go to work. So that's 2.5 hours of sleep. All right, guys, so next day here, we'll show you guys what we got. Basically, it is a 2015 Ford V10, 6.8, I believe, the engine. It has 29k miles. Show you guys inside. Basically, this table goes up, you connect these two benches together and you make a bed. There is another queen size bed down on top, it drops down. Pretty comfortable seats, a good view, you can see everything. The blind goes down, up, or whatever. This window, gonna have to take it off, clean it and recock it. There's a TV, actually there's one more TV outside. And as you see, the kitchen, microwave, toilet, shower, freezer, refrigerator. No ice cream. What else? Another sink. No? Oh yeah, there's one over there. One over here. Mirror to shave. That'll never happen. Another TV right here. I'm not sure. I don't think this one turns into bed. I'm not sure. I'll have to figure out everything. Cup holders. So that's the inside. I don't think we'll do anything with the interior. It looks pretty good. All the flooring, cabinets, everything looks good. Let me try to start the generator. Oh, just like that. So now we know that works. So everything looks pretty good. It needs a good cleanup. For sure this window was here when we picked it up from the auction, and I have no idea what happened. But we're planning to go with caulking all around and seal all the windows. Need new tires, all of them. Yeah, like see how they are, and look at that, it's already coming out. We're gonna put special caulking for the windows all around. And there is the damage. Now that's a problem. To change this piece, they sell the whole thing right there. And either we find one that's crushed on the other side and cut it somehow and then glue it together, it's fiberglass, or just build like everything from foam, shave it to the form, and make our own piece from fiberglass. There's a little work on the suspension, not that much, but we gotta fix that, do an alignment. The vinyl on the windshield has to be glued. But this windshield, man, if you break down one, it's gonna be expensive. There's a guy I know that he said they go for like 45,000 bucks. So lucky that one is good. So it does has one slide out on this side. Actually, we never tried if that thing slides out or not, but I'm about to do it. Oh, look at that, sliding out. So there's the little extra space now. I would say like about 2 foot goes out. It was somewhere over here. There's the line. Not bad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bed too. Look at that. I'm not even going home. I'll sleep here. Nah, just kidding. I'll do it. What is that net for? Oh, maybe not to fall. No, that's a table. Not sure where this table goes. Actually, I know where this table goes. Right here. Right there. But I don't know where the stick is. Probably laying somewhere in this cabinet somewhere. But there you have it. That's plenty. Like it. Look at that. Now we're gonna close this thing and leave it till tomorrow.
Pretty cool.
So this thing came out of insurance auto auction. Winning bid was $15,025. Let's call it $15,000. We did spend about $700 on diesel. There is people that actually do that. They deliver RVs and stuff, but they're asking like from 5,000 to 7,000. That's a lot. It took us like a day and a night and $700 on diesel. I'll keep you guys update with all the parts, how much it's gonna cost, everything, especially when this thing is complete. We'll see how much it's gonna cost. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto build. I'll catch you guys later.